Alright, back at the mill on the hill on this 10-foot hickory. Just got the top off of it. Got a little slab over there. Nothing spectacular, but we do have some customers that are wanting some shells out of hickory too. So I'm cutting kind of a double order out of these few logs. I got a couple of hickories here I got to finish up for these tables and these shelves. But anyways, it's starting to get into the good stuff. There was an old limb here at some point. Here too, possibly. Definitely you can see here was a limb that's been cut at some point in time. We're getting down there. We're going to start doing 3 1/4 slabs when we get into near the middle of this thing. But we'll be right back. Thanks for watching.